Introducing the Neutral AI Factory, AI infrastructure for the NCP era. AI is transforming every industry, but building AI infrastructure remains complex, expensive, and inefficient. Enterprises and MSPs need sovereign AI capabilities, yet struggle to deploy them economically. At the same time, next-generation cloud providers face surging demand, while fighting to maintain utilization and achieve profitable ROI. Now a new model is emerging. Introducing the Neutral AI Factory, AI infrastructure for the NCP era. A new approach where NCPs build high-utilization AI factories, and MSPs and enterprises consume secure virtual AI subfactories on demand. Each AI subfactory is sovereign, isolated, and optimized for diverse AI workloads, from model training to RAG pipelines to large-scale inference, all delivered with elastic performance and multi-tenant efficiency. For NCPs, higher utilization, incremental revenue, and faster return on investment. For MSPs, elastic sovereign GPU infrastructure available on demand. For enterprises, choice, compliance, and control. AI infrastructure without hyperscaler lock-in. The Neutral AI Factory, powered by Zadara. Zadara powers neutral AI factories with production-proven AI-optimized IaaS with superior multi-tenancy. Launch your Neutral AI Factory today.